Hello, good morning. This is Joan of Art. We are here in SICOGON Island. We're on our way to Buaya Beach and we're trekking along this rocky beach. We're going island hopping. We're on our way to Tumakin Island. So it's a smaller island off the coast of SICOGON. That's the one. It was famous in the 1970s, wherein the Miss Universe Gloria Diaz filmed the famous movie Ang Pinakamagandang Hayop sa Balat ng Lupa. Literally, the most beautiful animal on the face of the earth. So we're going to that island and I'm wearing the famous white dress to emulate Miss Gloria Diaz in her movie. I lack the horse. So there's no horse. There are little boats. They're actually toy boats made by a certain Kim. Ano na siya, tatay niyo, Kyle? Tatay niyo si Kim?
No.
Ano mo?
Tito.
Tito. Okay. Hug a tree. There's a very nice, interesting tree. Hey, wait for me. Wait for me. Selfie. Groovy. These are the local kids in their very nice, attractive yellow uniform. That's pretty cute. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Halong ka mo. Hammock is called duyan in Ilonggo. And Sherwin is enjoying his time on the duyan. It's a nice walk from Huni Hotel to Buaya Beach Resort. There's Kogon Resort over there. And so we're taking advantage of the low tide because it's very nice to walk here during the low tide. During the high tide, this area is all covered with water and you might not be able to see what's underneath. So it's not very advisable to walk this place. But low tide is best. During low tide, you can actually walk to that island on foot. Yeah, that's wow, pictorial again. Giant jackstones. We're walking towards that other port. That's the second port from San Fernando. And those are the locals. Barnacles, 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 barnacles. What's that, Julio? Wow, amazing. Wow, what is that dark thing? Wow, school of fish. Wow, that's amazing. Din si ano, Rams. Could use a GoPro for that. Taho! Finally, we have arrived at Kogon Beach Resort. This is the view from up here at Kogon Beach Resort. We are here now, and that's one of the islands. Actually, they are two islands. Maybe not really an island because the locals have no name for them. On that note, I don't know how the geographers count the islands of the Philippines if those two little islands are counted in the 7,777 islands that make up the Philippine archipelago. We are here now at the cafe and the viewing deck with an awesome view of those little islands. Seriously, Jay. This is Joan of Art here at SICOGON in our SICOGON Island adventure.